Have you ever used the append operator in Linux? If your answer is
God, no!
then this video can help you. It's a simple append, a simple redirection operator, and you will soon see that for a software tester, it makes it that much easier to store any generated test data into a file. So let's get started. Hi. So let us start off by displaying the contents of hellolinux.txt, and the output that we get is hello Linux. Let's try appending to the same file, which is so simple using the redirection operator. All it takes is an echo, a few words that you want to append, and after closing the quote, you put two greater than signs indicating direction of input also and the output to the above file hellolinux.txt. Let us check the contents once again. There, just got appended. It's that simple.
That was easy.
If you like this video, please click below to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos. Thank you.